So Google recently rolled out a new feature for its Indian audience. Under this feature, you can create your own virtual card, which you can use in place of your physical visiting cards. So as they suggest, you can use this feature to showcase your business, or you can use it to show your passion and hobbies, or you can just use it to display your portfolio. So the next time when you attend a meeting or you meet some new people, instead of carrying your physical visiting cards, you can just ask them to search your name on Google, and in just a click, they can have all your information on their mobile phones. So now let's look into how you can create your own Google card or People card. So for that, the first step is that you need to sign in with your email ID on your Google account, but make sure that you use your mobile phone for this step. So once you're logged into your Google account on your mobile phones, your next step is that in the search bar, you just need to type add me to search, or else you can just type in your name. Since you need to perform all these steps on a mobile phone, so I've switched to a mobile view on my laptop. I've already filled all the information, so this is how my Google card looks. But if you are doing it for the first time and you type in the search bar add me to search or your name, then you should see a result that looks something like this. Once you get this result on your screen, you just need to click on the option Get Started. So once you select the option Get Started, you will see a form that is displayed on your screen. You need to fill in all these details that are displayed in the forms. You can also link your website and your social media accounts. If you wish to display your email ID and phone number, then you can even enter those details. Once you have entered all these details, you just need to click preview and you just need to hit the save button. And now your Google card or People card is created. So now when you go to Google and type in your name, then you will be able to see a virtual card being displayed on the first result of your Google search. I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.